How do I block someone from seeing my messages?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a critical aspect of our digital lives, privacy. More specifically, we're going to show you how to block someone from seeing your messages across various platforms. This could be important for maintaining your comfort, safety, or just general peace of mind.
What does blocking do?
Before we dive into the steps, let's first understand what blocking someone does. When you block a person on most platforms, they will no longer be able to send you direct messages or see your posts. It's a way of controlling who can interact with you and see your online activity.
How to block on Facebook Messenger?
On Facebook Messenger, here's how to block someone. 1. Open the Messenger app. 2. Select the chat with the person you want to block. 3. Tap on their name at the top. 4. Scroll down and select Block. 5. Confirm your decision. This will block the person from sending you any more messages.
How to block on WhatsApp?
If you want to block someone on WhatsApp, follow these steps. 1. Open the chat with the person you want to block. 2. Tap on the person's name at the top to view their profile details. 3. Scroll down and select Block Contact. 4. Confirm your decision. After you block someone on WhatsApp, they can no longer see your messages or status updates.
How to block on iMessage, iOS?
For iMessage on an iOS device, here's what to do. 1. Open the conversation with the person you wish to block. 2. Tap on their name or number at the top. 3. Tap on Info. 4. Scroll down and tap on Block this caller. 5. Confirm your decision. This will block the person from sending you any more messages, and it also blocks phone calls and FaceTime calls. And that's a wrap on how to block someone from seeing your messages. Remember, your digital space is your own, and you have the right to control who can access it. If someone is causing discomfort, don't hesitate to use these steps to block them. Stay safe, and keep your digital world a peaceful place.